Hey guys, today we'll be doing level F67a and F67b. If you need any help, join the Discord in the description. So, our first question is here. You always want to start with brackets, so we want to do what's inside the brackets. The LCM of 8 and 6 is 24, so we know the bottom number will be 24. Now 8 times 3 is 24, so we times the top by 3 to get 3 times 3 is 9. 6 times 4 is 24, so 1 times 4 is 4. Close bracket times 8 over 13. Now we want to add what's inside the bracket, so 9 plus 4 is 13 over 24 times 8 over 13. Now we do cross multiplication. 13 goes into 13 once, 13 goes into 13 once. Now 8 goes into 8 once, and 8 goes into 24 3 times. So we get 1 times 1, which is 1 over 3 times 1, which is 3. So we get 1/3. Second question, we want to do what's inside the brackets first. So the LCM of 9 and 6 is 18. So it's going to be over 18 plus over 18. Now 9 times 2 is 18, so you times the top by 2, and 1 times 2 is 2. 6 times 3 is 18, so you times the top by 3 to get 3. Divided by 5. Add what's inside the bracket, so 2 plus 3 is 5 over 18. Make this times, and then we want to, because it's divided by 5, we want to make it multiplied. 5 is the same as 5 over 1, so this is the same when you multiply it by 1 over 5, because you flips the top and bottom, so you get times 1 over 5. Then the next step, you cross out the 5s because they both go into each other, and you get 1 times 1 is 1 over 18. This one here, you want to do what's inside the brackets first, so rewrite 5 over 6, divided by, now the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, 2 times 3 is 6, so 1 times 3 is 3, plus 3 times 2 is 6, so 1 times 2 is 2 over 6. Finish off what's inside the brackets, so rewrite 5 over 6 divided by, now it's 3 plus 2 is 5 over 6. You can take this outside the brackets, and because it's division here, we can change it to multiplication. 5 over 6 times, swap the top and bottom for this one, 6 over 5 equals, cross these out because they both go into each other. These both go into each other, you should get an answer of just 1. What's inside the bracket first? The LCM of 9 and 3 is 9, so the bottom numbers are going to be 9. 9 times 1 is 9, so 7 times 1 is 7. 3 times 3 is 9, so 2 times 3 is 6, times 24. Now 7 minus 6 is 1 over 9 times 24, and you can do cross multiplication with these two. 3 goes into both numbers. 3 goes into 9 3 times, and 3 goes into 24 8 times. So you're left with 1 times 8, which is 8 over 3. This one here, you can simplify it into a mixed number if you have to. 3 goes into 8 twice, remainder 2 over 3. Now you do what's inside the brackets first, so keep 7 over 12, because the LCM of 12 and 3 is 12. Now the 3 goes into 12 4 times, so you times the top and bottom by 4 to get plus 4 over 12. And bracket times 3 over 11. 7 plus 4 is 11 over 12 times 3 over 11. 11 just goes into itself once, so you can cross both of these out and put 1. Now 3 goes into 3 once, and it goes into 12 4 times, so you get 1 times 1 over 4 times 1, 1 over 4. This one here, you want to do what's inside the brackets, like always, so 41 minus 6 is literally just 35. Now you can change the multiplication to it. You can change the division to multiplication to get 35 times, swap the top and bottom to get 8 over 7. Now you can do cross multiplication, so 7 goes into 7 once, and it goes into 35 5 times. You're left with 5 times 8, which is 40, over, this is just over 1, 35 is the same as 35 over 1. 1 times 1 is just 1. Final answer of 40. The LCM of 8 and 6 is 24, so you put over 24 minus over 24. 8 times 3 is 24, so 3 times 3 is 9. And then 6 times 4 is 24, so 1 times 4 is 4. Times 8 over 15. 9 times 4 is 5. No, 9 minus 4 is 5. Over 24 times 8 over 15. Now you do cross multiplication. 5 can go into 5 once. 5 go into 15 3 times. 8 goes into 8 once. And 8 goes into 24 3 times. So you get 1 times 1, which is 1 over 3 times 3, 9. Final question, like always, you start with the brackets and you find the LCM of these two numbers, which is 12. 4 times 3 is 12, so you times the top by 3 to get 3, plus 3 times 4 is 12, so you times the top by 4 to get 8 over 12. Now you do 3 plus 8, which is 11 over 12, times 12, and you can do cross multiplication to divide the 12 and the 12 by itself. So you get 11 times 1 over 11. 11 times 1 over 1, which is just 11. If you need any help, join the Discord in the description. Comment, like, subscribe, and have a good day. Hope this helped.